Hey, welcome back. So since we now have the HTML already ready, we now need to do a couple of other steps. So all I've done is I had this index.html here. I have created a directory called templates and I've copied that file from index.html into here and in Flask. So you just have to do pip install Flask. So you have to do pip install Flask, and once you do that, I've just imported Flask here, and I've also imported render template. Why we need render template? Because we are just rendering the template of HTML that was already generated by our previous program. That's all we are doing here. And app route slash, so this would look for in the templates directory, so we don't have to do anything. This is the default Flask. If you read through any Flask documentation, this is the basic. And if you want to debug, if you make any changes on the fly, if you want to see those changes, just set debug equal to true. If you are very confident of the code and know it works and you are not making any changes, it's already in production, remove debug equal to true. And let me go back here now after I have done it. So I'm just launching this, and here if we look at this one here, it's saying 127.0.0.1 and the port is 5000. So if you don't like the port number, that's the default port. You can always change it in the Flask, so we don't have to look into that at the moment. So let's actually look at it later, but we just rendered what we generated locally into a web page, and this covers our second part. In the next part, we are going to look into more detail how we merge both 1 and 2 together into an actual product. Thank you for joining.